Hey friends, hi, this is Paniel here, and we're going to have a conversation with wellness coach Krishnaveni. And what are we going to talk about? The first thing that goes into your stomach after you wake up in the morning. So let me introduce Ms. Krishnaveni to you. She's an ex-IT professional who believes that feeling healthy and feeling good about yourself is not a luxury, it's an absolute necessity. She's practicing as a nutritionist and a wellness coach. So, welcome to Panversations, Krishnaveni Garu, and let's hope we make this session interesting and pump in a lot of knowledge for the people.
Thank you, Paniel, for this warm welcome. Hi, I'm Krishnaveni here. I'm a nutritionist and a wellness coach practicing in Bangalore and all over India.
So I'm going to ask you a few questions to start with. The first thing that goes into your stomach after you wake up in the morning, why is it crucial?
First thing to have in the mouth as soon as you wake up, that obviously is the water. Why is it to have? It's a crucial thing is that it helps you to improve your digestion, and also it helps to remove the toxins from your body through your bowel movements. Drinking water as the first thing in the morning will help you to flush out the stomach. That will help you to balance the lymphatic system. A stable lymphatic system help you to build a strong immune system that will help you to prevent getting you sick very often. This is very much required in this time frame of having this COVID and Corona getting positive and all, right? So make sure that you have plenty amount of water, that is at least 500 ml of water as soon as you wake up in the morning.
And after how much of an interval can you have your breakfast? Like the first thing that goes, and then after that, how much of gap is required before you have your breakfast?
You can have your breakfast within 1 hour or half an hour of time frame after having your post water as soon as you wake up.
So what are the foods, or what do you suggest should go in first thing in the morning? What do you can you recommend us some stuff?
I see many people are habituated with coffee or tea as the first thing in the morning, but that will affect your metabolism and even it increases the acidity. For anyone who starts your day with, have good amount of water, that is, as I said, 500 ml of water to start with, and then followed by anything solid like either a banana or dry fruits or any other fruit. Then you can have your tea, coffee.
So is this the same for all ages, or it differs from young to a little elderly people? How does it matter? Can you explain in brief?
It depends on the age, gender, and also if they have any health complications. Actually, the healthy adults kidney can flush out water of 20 to 24 liters per day, but it can flush out only 1 liter in an hour. So that you need to have as a safer version of having it's a lesser amount of water when compared to the other adults, like elders and kids have less efficient of flushing out of more water than the healthy adults. Thank you.
Great. So thank you, Krishnaveni Garu, for that informative session. And according to you, the first thing that needs to go into our stomach is water. And water for the normal age, it's about 500 ml, and for the young children and for the elderly, a little lesser than that. And then after half an hour, you need to have a fruit or something like that, and then you can have your breakfast. So great. That was informative, and we thank you very much for joining us. So friends, that was Panversations with Krishnaveni Garu, and stay tuned for more informative sessions like these in the future. Or you're thinking how I changed from the initial sessions to this, the beard and stuff? Well, it's lockdown, guys, and time is running fast. So great. So see you again with some more information and more knowledge. Bye-bye.